Hi, so this week I'm gonna have Adrian work on simplifying algebraic expressions. I know last week we did simplifying terms. However, this is gonna be an extension of that lesson. Where in this time we're gonna be including numbers with exponents. Okay, so as you can see, we have a variable with an exponent, right? U to the second power plus 1 plus u minus 1. All right, although, right, we're gonna see what do we have the same. So we have the ones, right? We could circle the ones. Sorry. Going ahead, we circle the ones, right? So let's go ahead. We have a positive 1 minus 1. So minus 1, and that's gonna be 0, okay? So we got those two. However, we do have a u and we do have a u squared. Because the u and the u squared might have the same letter, but they're actually different. One is a u by itself and one's a u squared. So according to the rules of simplifying algebraic terms, we cannot combine the u and the u squared. If this one was to be a u squared, then we would be able to combine it and we would have 2u squared. But because this is just a u and a u squared and we don't know their values, right? A variable is a letter that represents a missing number, so we cannot combine them. So when we solve them, we bring them both down, right? We could bring them both down. U squared plus u. And because we can't combine them, right? That's u squared and that's a u. We're going to leave it like this. Okay? So that's number 1 on your first assignment. Now, if we erase this, and we write the next one, right? Number 2, negative b plus b squared minus 1 plus b squared. Okay? We could go ahead and look which terms are the same and circle them. So we have a b squared right there and a b squared right there. So we could circle those, all right? Circle that and circle that. Okay, we could combine them, right? B squared plus b squared. And because they are both b squared, we could add them together, right? We have 1, 2b squared, right? So together they'll be 2b squared, okay? Now we look, what else do we have in common? What else can we put together? So we have a minus b and a minus 1. Because they're different, this is a whole number, right? Which in math is called a constant. And we have a minus b, which is called the variable. They're both different. They're not the same. We cannot combine them. So we got to drop them down. You can use an arrow to know that you're dropping it down. Dropping it down. So we could leave this in the middle, right? Because that's where we got it from, right? Right there, right there. We could keep that in the middle and have our minus 1, right? Because we're dropping the 1 and a minus b. Plus minus b, I'm sorry. Plus minus b or negative b. Okay? And that's how you combine algebraic term. Once again, this is similar to what we did last week. However, in this case, we're including more algebraic terms. For any questions, please repeat the video or just email me your concerns or questions. Thank you. And make sure you box it in so we know that's the answer for number 2.